everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everything that I made from the bargain bead box for February of 2023, the Violet Glade collection. And can I just say, oh my gosh, I made 4 beautiful necklaces from that box. This is all that I have left over. I have one of the amethyst pendants. I have that dragonfly. I still haven't used him. The green beads and some of the crackled agate beads. I've used everything else other than that. So, before I go ahead, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go below and hit that subscribe button. And then there's also a bell there, a notification bell. So click on that, and so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because a lot of times I'll upload videos and you won't know about them if you're not subscribed to my channel. So if you are new here, definitely subscribe. I have a lot coming for this year. I have so many things planned. I also wanted to get back into some of my painting, because I'm an artist too, and I wanted to do some painting tutorials. I will put them on a different playlist. If you're just into the jewelry, you can watch that, but I'm going to be doing that as well. So I have a lot coming up. A couple more bead boxes that I'm going to be doing for companies. So without further ado, let us get started with this. So this, I'm starting them on the boards. So this is my first one. I love the way this turned out. So I have the amethyst pendant there, the dragonfly, and all of this. So let me take this off. I've got beads everywhere. You should see this. My room is a mess. I keep saying I'm going to clean it, and then I come in here and start making jewelry and videos and everything. And I'm like, oh. So yeah, this is the first one that I made. Now there's not a tutorial for this. I was just working on this one night and I didn't end up filming it. But basically I just, you know, took the beads. I took 2 big jump rings and I just connected everything on there. So this one I took all the chain that they gave us and attached it at the top. Then I did a strand here, and then a strand of those here, and then this, and then just made this little pendant and then attached it up. But I thought this turned out really pretty. I love this. This is like very dressy. So I have that one right there. Then, let me see here. There's going to be a big crash here pretty soon. Then I have this one that I made. And I thought this one turned out really pretty. So this is, I used some of the dragonflies. I did a little chain, and then I did a little little dragonfly charm there. So let me see. So this was not an eclectic pattern. This was the same. And then I put it on a bigger jump ring, and I added some of my seed beads on the jump ring. I do that a lot because I think they really they make it look pretty. So I have some jump rings that I bought. I don't remember the size of them, but they're a little extra thin, and so I use those. I can't find my jump rings that I use now for these. Oh, okay, here they are. Yeah, these are the check seed beads. They are, what size are these? 8/0s. But yeah, so I added some because they seem to match with these green beads. And so I wanted to just have a little bit on here. I just did a couple. So I did those. And I really like the way this one turned out. So I have that. Then this one, I do have a tutorial. I just posted it a couple days ago. Let me close this down. This is my dragonfly necklace that I made, where one side is dragonflies, and then I used the amethyst swirl pendant on here, and I used some of my 11.0 seed beads. I used some of the purple ones with the little turquoise finish, and then I used my turquoise ones there too, and I just put a few in between on this side just to add a little bit of make it a little different looking. Then I used the toggle clasp up here instead. So I think this turned out really pretty. Laying all these down here. So yeah, so I have this one. I think this turned out really pretty. This one, oh, this is eclectic. Yeah, this one wasn't. This one had a different pattern because of the way the dragonflies were. So I have it right in the front. It's different the way it is. So I have these. I think this turned out really pretty. I was really happy with this month's box. Then this is my boho dragonfly beaded necklace. Let me get this off. And I did a tutorial for this. So this is, it's got a lobster clasp up there. And then I have some of my seed beads here, 11.0 Miyukis. And then there's an actual like kind of choker kind of attached to it like that. And then the other one comes down. It's hard. My jewelry is always a little bigger than the camera. So yeah, so it's kind of like that. And then I have this dragonfly, and then just these pretty little danglies hanging down the front. So I have this, and then I have this. So these are my 4 necklaces. I mean, it's like, wow, for, you know, the price of this box. You get a lot. You definitely get a lot with this box. Let me know down in the comments. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which one was your favorite? I will also leave the tutorials to this one and this one below the videos. So if you want to go back and see how I made these, you can. But yeah, these are, I was really happy with this, this month's box. I think it was really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will leave a link below to Bargain Bead Box. I'm supposed to be getting a coupon code from them for 10% off on your first box. So as soon as I get it, I will put it down below. I haven't heard back from them yet, but yeah, so the link is below if you want to check them out. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And all my social media is below, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook pages if you want to follow me on there. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for following me and watching and commenting. I really appreciate everything. This is a new adventure I'm on, and trying to turn this into a full-time, and I'm really loving this. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I try and answer each and every one of you that comments underneath. So keep the comments coming, and I love you all. So I thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.